Prusa MK4E is what you've been waiting for. This premium machine is a blend of innovation and reliability, a standout choice for serious 3D printing enthusiasts. One of the key highlights is the input shaper support. This thing boosts the printer speed without sacrificing quality. Think of it like a sports car that's tuned for precision, fast yet smooth. The lone cell sensor is another fine addition. It handles the first layer like a pro, automatically adjusting to ensure it lays down perfectly flat. No more fiddling with knobs or re-leveling mid-print. It's a set-it-and-forget-it type of deal that saves you time and frustration, especially compared to other printers where manual adjustments are the norm. Then there's the Nextruder, which takes versatility to a new level. It allows for quick swap nozzles, meaning you can easily switch between different filament types or sizes without a hitch. This is a big leap from older models where nozzle changes could be a pain. The 32-bit connected platform offers a modern touch to the classic Prusa functionality. With remote printing capabilities and a customizable interface, you can manage your prints from anywhere. This feature is a rarity among standard printers, which usually require you to be physically present. Now, when we draw the bottom line, the MK4E combines cutting-edge features with ease of use. It's not just about creating models, it's about crafting experiences effortlessly. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.